Hey, welcome to this video. Today, we're going to explore how to transfer files between LDPlayer and your PC seamlessly. Whether you're looking to move documents, images, or any other files, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow steps, so let's dive right in. First, let's start by launching LDPlayer. Open the application on your PC, and once it's up and running, you'll be ready to begin transferring files. In this demonstration, I'll be using SOLIDBugs. On the left pane, you'll see the Downloads folder, which is where your files will typically be stored. On the right side, we have the folder where you can copy files to make them accessible from your PC. You can also access the shared folder by pressing the button on the right-hand side of the screen. Simply click on the Android Shared Folder button. This action will open the folder in the Standard Files application. You can use this folder to make your files accessible from your PC. Simply drag and drop the files you want to transfer into this shared folder, and they will be available for access on your computer. I'm using SOLIDBugs to copy this APK file from the internal Downloads folder to the shared folder on the right side. Once the copy is finished, you can access the file from your PC, press the Shared Folder button, and select the PC shared folder. This action will open Windows Explorer on your PC, where you can see the copied APK file. To transfer files to LDPlayer, simply copy the files you want to transfer into this folder on your PC. Once the files are in the designated shared folder, they will automatically be accessible within LDPlayer. This makes it easy to move documents, images, or any other files you need for your Android applications. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.